before we get to the firework, no. Upwards, the man holding the firework. Say hello to the one, the only, your favorite veteran, Sergeant Pyro!
Whoa.
Sergeant Pyro, what ugly thing are you holding on to?
It's Behemoth from World Class Fireworks.
Whoa! Pardon the expression, I know we have children watching with their family, but I think we could say this being a G-rated channel, that is butt ugly. Yeah, whoa. Now it's from World Class Fireworks. So let's go ahead and do a spin here.
Look at the top.
Oh, Ziggy! Ziggy! Say everybody, say hello to Ziggy! All right, Ziggy, enough of that. Okay, boy, that was ugly. All right, we're going to go around here. 500 grams. Whoa, okay, Zig, go in. The Zig man is going in. Okay, whoa. All right, performance. A, red winter sweet, red sparkler. B, white chrysanthemum, red sparkler, green sparkler. C, we got spied silk, blue sparkler. What? D, pine needle, green sparkler. E, do you believe this, Sergeant Pyro? We have jumbo white chrysanthemum, and F, long crackle flower, yellow sparkler. Whoa, thanks, Ziggy. All right, anything else to show?
Not really.
All right, and what was the name of this one more time?
Behemoth.
There you go, that's how you say it. So, Sergeant Pyro, are you and Ziggy ready? Ziggy's saying yes. Are you ready to go out to the street pad and light this monster? Let's go! Ooh, he's even more scary without the lights on. Here we go, Ziggy! All right, Sergeant Pyro, be careful. Ziggy, be careful. Whoa! You know, Sergeant Pyro, world class, always delivers.
Yes, they do.
They do. Okay, let's hope it's not done. All right. Behemoth! So far, pretty safe and sane, right? Not super loud. We're puttering. Getting ready.
Next one's gonna be big.
Oh yes! Whoa! Whoa! There you go, Ziggy. Good camera work. Whoa! I think we Behemoth. Whoa, we still butt ugly. We'll see if